डिअर स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू दिशा क्लासेस. आज आपण या लेक्चरला स्टँडर्ड 9th मध्ये मॅथमॅटिक्स पार्ट 1 याच्यातील चॅप्टर नंबर 2 रियल नंबर्स पाहत आहोत. तर आज आपण या ठिकाणी प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.3 मधील क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 to 9 म्हणजे रिमेनिंग जो पार्ट आहे तो पाहणार आहोत. आणि याच्यामध्ये आपण जे एक्झाम्पल्स घेणार आहोत ते सिम्प्लिफिकेशन मीन्स ॲडिशन सबट्रॅक्शन ऑफ सर्ट्स, multiplication of surds and rationalization of the denominator या theory पार्टशी रिलेटेड एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत ते आपण सॉल्व करणार आहोत. See the example question number 6, that is the simplification. What is given? 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. See here, root 3 means the order of the surd is 2 and both have same radical means like surds are here. Means for addition subtraction the surds must be required like surds. So here we do the addition of coefficient, that is 5 plus 8 bracket complete root 3. 5 plus 8 is 13 means the addition of given surd is 13 root 3. Okay. Then see second example. See 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus root 125. Three terms are there and each and every term. See in first term radical is a 5. In second one it is also 5, but in third one it is present in the form of 125. So we convert this third surd in simplest surd. Means we write first as it is 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5. Here we change this third surd in the form of 5. Why? Because in other two surds radical is a 5. Means we convert it in the like surd. So we take the factors of 125 in the form of 5. Means 5 into 25. Okay? Then we write first as it is 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus 25 is the square. We take it out means it becomes 5 root 5. बघा बरं आता तिन्ही टर्म्स से like surds तयार झालेले आहेत. root 5 order is the same, radical is same, mean it is like surds. Then we take the coefficients, that is 9 minus 4 plus 5 bracket complete root 5. Then we do subtraction. 9 minus 4 that is equal to 5. 5 plus 5 is 10 means 10 root 5 is the simplified answer for the second example. Okay. Then see it is third. 7 root 48 minus root 27 minus root 3. See which is the lowest radical present in the given example, that is a 3. Means for doing the subtraction the other surds must be required in the form of root 3. मग आता root 3 च्या फॉर्म मध्ये आपल्याला कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी 48 चे फॅक्टर्स 3 च्या फॉर्म मध्ये 3 16 जा 48 minus 27 चे पण फॅक्टर्स आपल्याला 3 च्या फॉर्म मध्ये 3 9 जा and we write third as it is root 3. ठीक आहे. आता याचं सिंपलेस्ट सर्ड्स मध्ये कन्वर्जन करायचं आहे. 7 into 16 is the square of 4, so we take it out as a 4. root 3 minus 9 is the square, we take it out means 3 root 3 minus root 3. Then see 7 4s are 28 root 3 minus 3 root 3 minus root 3, all converted in like surds. Then we are taking the coefficients. 28 minus 3 minus nothing is here means 1 is in silent, so I am taking here 1 bracket complete root 3. बघा 28 minus 3 minus 1 means first we do subtraction. 28 minus 3 that is equal to 25. 25 minus 1 means 24. Means answer is 24 root 3. Means simplification of question number 6. From that one is a 24 root 3. Okay. This is the third example. Then we see fourth one. Root 7 minus 3 upon 5 root 7 plus 2 root 7. All are present in the form of like surds. Radical, smallest radical is a root 7. So we take the coefficients together. In first surd, nothing is coefficient means we take 1 minus 3 upon 5 plus 2 bracket complete root 7. Okay. See, 1 means 1 upon 1, 2 means 2 upon 1. For doing subtraction addition, the denominator must be required here 5. So we multiply first, that is 1 by 5. Means 5 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. Again here we convert same denominator means 5. 5 2s are 10. Bracket complete root 7. Then here denominator is equal, so we take it as only one time. We write numerator 5u minus 3 plus 10 bracket complete root 7. See, 5u minus 3 means 2 and 2 plus 10. 2 plus 10 that is equal to 12 means 12 upon 5 root 7 is the simplification of example number 4. Means see, simplify means there is addition, subtraction, vice versa is given. Then we use the properties and we solve it. Okay? हा झाला question number 6. Then see question number 7. Multiply and write the answer in the simplest form. Multiplication करायचं आहे, simplest form मध्ये convert करायचं आहे. See, first surd is 3 under root 12. So here we find the factors of 12, that is 4 3s into 8 means we write again its factor as 9 2s 18. Then see, 4 is a square, we take it out means 3 into 2 root 3. आता इथे म्हणा 4 आहे मग 2 कसा झाला, जेव्हा आपण रॅडिकल साइनच्या बाहेर काढतो इट इज अ स्क्वेअर रूट, मग 4 चं स्क्वेअर रूट 2 होईल. Similarly, we take 9 outside means it become a 3 root 2. Then we do the multiplication of coefficients means 3 into 2 into 3 and multiplication of the surd, that is root 3 into root 2. See, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 root 6 is the multiplication of the given surds. Means this is the question number 7. Multiplication is 18 root 6. Then see the second one. The second one can 3 root 12 into 7 root 50. आता पुन्हा याचं कन्वर्जन आपल्याला सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म मध्ये करायचं आहे. मीन्स 3 इन ब्रॅकेट 12 चे फॅक्टर्स घेतले आपण 4 into 3 into 7 इन ब्रॅकेट. आता ह्या ठिकाणी 15 चे फॅक्टर स्क्वेअर फॉर्म मध्ये येत नाही. We write as it is 50. Okay. Then see, we take this 4 outside means 3 2s into root 3 into 7 root 50. Then again see here, we write these factors of 15 as 5u root 5 into root 3. Then we are taking coefficients together 3 into 2 into 7 and do the multiplication of another surds root 3 into root 5 into root 3. Then do the multiplication 3 2s are 6, 6 4 7s are 42 into root 3 into root 3, that is equal to 3 into root 5 remains as it is. Then we are doing the multiplication of 42 into 3 means it is 126. Okay, 126 root 5. बघा इथं 15 चे फॅक्टर स्क्वेअर फॉर्म मध्ये पडत नाहीत, पण तरीही आपण घेतले. का घेतले? कारण एक प्रायमरी फॅक्टर हा 12 चा रूट 3 आलेला आहे आणि 15 चा सुद्धा रूट 3 येतो. Means root 3 into root 3 we multiply, we will get 3 and root 5 remains as it is. Okay. Then see the example number 3, that is 3 root 8 into root 5. We first convert this is in the simplest form means 3 into 4 2s into root 5. We take this 4 outside means 3 into 2 into root 2 into root 5. Multiplication 3 2s are 6 and multiplication of this surds means root 2 into root 5 means you write here 6 root 10 is the multiplication of third one. Okay. Then see here, that is the example number 4th. What is it? That that is a 5 root 8 into 2 root 8. See, first we convert in simplest form, means 5 into 4 twos are into 2 in under root source or under root, that is 4 into 2. आता इथे स्क्वेअरच्या फॉर्म मध्ये 4 आहे तो बाहेर गेला, 5 2s under root 2 as it is राहिले into 2 into हा जो 4 आहे तो बाहेर गेला रॅडिकल साइनच्या, means it becomes 2 under root 2 as it is. 5 2s are 10, 10 root 2 into 4 root 2. Then we are taking coefficients 10 into 4 and we are taking surds in another bracket root 2 into root 2. 10 4s are 40 into 2 means the answer is 80. See, this is the multiplication. We do the multiplication and we convert it into the simplest form. Then see, question number 8. Divide and write the answer in simplest form. मगाशी multiplication होता आता division करायचा. What is the division means? Both have same order. If order is the same, then we can do the division of the radical. Means 98 upon 2. Here we divide, then we will get 49, and 49 is a perfect square. Means its value is 7. See, so simple is here. First we follow the rules. Root 125 divided by root 50. दोघांची ऑर्डर सेम आहे, त्यामुळे कॉमन रॅडिकल साइन मध्ये आपण डिव्हिजन करणार 125 upon 50. Then first we find the factors. 25 5s are and here 25 2s are. 25 cancel, remaining only under root 5u upon 2, and this is the division of the second example. Then see the next one. Root 54 divided by root 27. Order is same, so we write it in common radical sign. 54 divided by 27, that is equal to 27 2s means answer is only root 2. छोटे छोटे एग्जांपल्स आहेत, 1 मार्क्स 2 मार्क्स चा एग्जामला विचारू शकता की डिव्हिजन मल्टिप्लिकेशन करतो पण सर्च ची ऍडिशन सबट्रॅक्शन साठी लाईक सर्च पाहिजे आणि मल्टिप्लिकेशन डिव्हिजन साठी त्यांची ऑर्डर सेम पाहिजे, एवढेच फक्त रूल्स आपल्याला लक्षात ठेवायचे. ओके, देन सी द फोर्थ वन. 310 we write it commonly. 310 divide by 5, then we divide by 5. 3 6 are 30, sorry 5 6 are 30 and 5 2s. आता 62 आलं, पण याचे सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म जरी आपण करायला गेलो तर 2 into 31 येतं. मग 2 is not a square, 31 is not a square, so we write this answer as it is root 62. Okay, then see the next one. That is question number 9. Rationalize the denominator. आता हा एक वेगळा कॉन्सेप्ट आहे. रॅशनलाइज द डिनॉमिनेटर म्हणजे डिनॉमिनेटरला इरॅशनल नंबर असणार आहे, त्याचा रॅशनलायझिंग फॅक्टर शोधून काढायचा आणि त्याने मल्टिप्लाय करून इरॅशनल नंबरचं कन्वर्जन रॅशनल नंबर मध्ये करायचं आणि ही प्रोसेस आपल्याला डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये करायची आहे. सी 3 upon root 5. Root 5 is present in the denominator and it is an irrational number. Means what that question says, we have to convert that irrational number in rational number by using rules. Then see 3 upon root 5. आता root 5 चा कोणता rationalizing factor आहे ज्याने आपण त्याला मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर रॅशनल नंबर मिळू शकतो. Itself means we multiply by root 5 upon root 5. मल्टिप्लाय पण केलं आणि डिवाइड पण केलं, म्हणजे न्यूमरेटरला रूट 5 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं, डिनॉमिनेटरला पण रूट 5 ने मल्टिप्लाय करतो. मीन्स 3 into root 5, that is 3 root 5 and root 5 multiplication is 5. Means root 5 is converted in 5, means irrational number is converted in the form of rational number, means we rationalize the denominator. Okay, then see next one. 1 upon root 14. 1 upon root 14. If we find the factors of 14, that is a 2 into 7. पण 2 पण नाही या ठिकाणी, स्क्वेअर नंबर नाहीये, 7 पण नाहीये. मग या ठिकाणी कोणत्या नंबरने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर रॅशनल नंबर मिळू शकतो? सो हियर वी आर टेकिंग ॲज अ रूट 14. ओके, root 14 into 1, that is equal to root 14, and root 14 up into root 14 means 14. Means root 14 is converted into 14 means irrational number is converted into rational number. Then see the third one, 5 upon root 7. आता root 7 ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर रॅशनल नंबर येईल? Correct. Root 7 is, so here we multiply by root 7 to numerator and denominator. Means 5 root 7 upon root 7 into root 7 is the 7. Means this is the rationalization of the given example. Then fourth one, 6 upon 9 root 3. Which is the rationalizing factor? C. Simplest form is root 3. Means if we multiply by root 3 to numerator and denominator means 9 root 3 convert into rational numbers. See, 6 into root 3 is 6 root 3. And to the multiplication 9 into root 3 into root 3 is a 3. But here we do the division. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are. Means what we get here? That is a 2 root 3 upon 9. Means we convert 9 root 3 in the form of 9. Means in the form of rational numbers. बघा, प्रत्येक एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपल्याला रॅशनलायझेशन म्हणजे रॅशनलायझिंग फॅक्टर घेऊन मल्टिप्लिकेशन न्यूमरेटर आणि डिनॉमिनेटर दोघांना मल्टिप्लिकेशन करायचं आहे आणि मग त्या ठिकाणी त्या डिनॉमिनेटरचं रॅशनलायझेशन होतं. सी 11 अपॉन रूट 3. आता रूट 3 आहे म्हणजे याचा रॅशनलायझिंग फॅक्टर हा रूट 3 आहे. So we multiply to numerator and to denominator by root 3. Means answer is 11 root 3 upon 3. Okay, and this is the last question, that is the rationalization of the denominator, and here we completed the practice set 2.3. In next lecture we will see the practice set 2.4. So please see our next video. Thank you.